Orlando Pirates could be in serious trouble next season, Mafit. I don't even see Orlando Pirates defending the league. I don't see them winning a cup labo win a season in, season out, MTN 8. And I'll tell you why I say this. Orlando Pirates could have one of the worst seasons they've had in the last 5 seasons. Number one, the Orlando Pirates continue to make big mistakes week in, week out. Number one, the biggest mistake Orlando Pirates made, the biggest mistake that Orlando Pirates made was releasing Tshegofatso Mabasa. Because without Tshegofatso Mabasa, there isn't a goal poacher at Orlando Pirates. Without Tshegofatso Mabasa, they don't have a prolific striker who can guarantee you 10 goals, at least mega in a season. Tshegofatso Mabasa is no more. They've decided to end the contract and Tshegofatso Mabasa has now gone to look for greener pastures elsewhere. Now Orlando Pirates is left Noyanela Mbutuma, Radio Pane, no Evidence Makgopa, right? Which Evidence Makgopa kuna marumo ukuthi could be going overseas. Mbutuma, Makgopa, no Radio Pane, Baboy 3 combined, boy 3, they can't score you 11 goals. Saying you show Baboy 3, maybe one core 3, umunya core 5, umunya Baboy 3, abakwazi ukupha amagoli 11. So who's gonna do the goal scoring at Orlando Pirates? Another reason Orlando Pirates, for me, are gonna struggle next season is because Urilebuhile Mfukeng agaseko. When it matters most, Urilebuhile Mfukeng was the guy obeka korela Orlando Pirates amagoli. He was the guy who was assisting for Orlando Pirates. He was the guy okorama hat-trick. The only player who Orlando Pirates last season to score a hat-trick was Urilebuhile Mfukeng ageko munye. You can correct me like a comment section if you do have the facts, but other than Urilebuhile Mfukeng elipilingi player Orlando Pirates elegela score a hat-trick last season, aliko. When the Orlando Pirates were struggling with goals, Urilebuhile Mfukeng would raise his hand and be the one okorai. Now, there's a rumor yokuthi Orlando Pirates might also be losing Ozwena Police. We are talking about another guy who played a big role kula magoli Orlando Pirates wakorile last season. Another player ukorile ama brace omunye mchita bekuthi makushubile beka creator beka tabalaza thatha ama player a shooter. He was always involved ku build up play beka crosser ayenza almost everything for the team. Now naye bazomloser apparently. So without laba bantu laba boy2 who's scoring the goals for Orlando Pirates? Because clearly Uyanela Mbutuma akusumuntu okorayo. Clearly Evidence Makgopa akusumuntu okorayo. Clearly Radio Pane akusumuntu okorayo. So the team is in trouble next season, and it doesn't seem as though laba bantu laba that are responsible for the signing and releasing of players are seeing lenkinga lesibona. It's not like bayazama ukulungisa. Instead, what are they doing? Bahamba basign ama player in positions that Orlando Pirates is not struggling in. A good example, basayina lo mfana lo center back from Richards Bay. How many center backs does Orlando Pirates already have? Bahambile bayasign uNeo Rapo. How many left backs does Orlando Pirates already have? Angit bano Dionoto bano Ndaba. Is that position an issue? Inkinga na leyo position leyo. Bahambile futhi bayogcwalisa in the middle of the park. They renew the contract ka Makihleni Makaula, rumor has it. So Tisbalama midfielder Orlando Pirates, new signing Umtiani, he's a midfield. Lomfana lo abazom promoter from DDC, he's a midfield. Then there's Talent Mbata, then there's Makihleni Makaula, then there's Cameron Denson, then there's Sihle Nduli, then there's Lomfana lo then there's Sihle Nduli, and then there's Simphiwe Silepe. 7 midfields for Orlando Pirates. Then Orlando Pirates are ileki, but they still go and hunt for abantu abazodlala leyo position. Aboba nama attacking midfielders akhona Orlando Pirates. Eswathemba ukuthi week in week out they can perform consistently. Do you think Tito is the kind of guy who can give you a consistent performance? Efana Nagamfukeng. Number one, Tito is slow on the ball. Tito sometimes struggling with the reading of the game. Ipola laga Owadu is too quick and too fast for Tito. A transitional play, I'm sure Tito. So Tito already, excuse me, Tito already we are struggling. So Orlando Pirates, instead of going to sign the players, gula position abashota guo. Instead, bona bagcwalisa gula position laba right guo. The boy bam signile khona manje from APC Mutsipe League plays as a wing. There's Kamkhelos Belebele playing as a wing. There's Tsepang Muremi playing as a wing. Ifaka Hambi, there's Ozwena Police who plays as a wing. Why are you adding Goma position la ungaleki kona? Sigupi striker because they don't have a striker. Igupi number 10 because Urilebuhile Mfukeng joba hambile. Ubani obaphala creativity. Ubani who brings the team together. Who's taking on the players. Ubani shooter when it matters most. Who scores the goals when the strikers are not scoring. It's a problem. It's impositive bafitha ngathi kunomuntu ongcindezelayo nje namhlanje kwenzakalana. So Orlando Pirates are going to struggle. Another mistake that they made Bariliza Utabiso Sesani to Swelele FC. Congratulations to Swelele FC. You've just earned yourself a solid centre back. You've just earned yourself a solid centre back who knows how to read the game, who's good on and off the ball. We are talking about a Bafana International because prior to injury Utabiso Sesani begadlala ku Bafana. Orlando Pirates right now must bega ma centre back wabo. The only international centre back they have is Nkosinathi Sibisi, who's not that good, because when they're playing against ama-team adlala nge-high press, ama-team athanda ukubasha nge-transition, uNkosinathi Sibisi uyatatazela, uyastruggle. So it means that the only centre back that Orlando Pirates can trust right now, Ulubone Siyama. Other than Ulubone Siyama ubani, because let's say God forbid uNkosinathi Sibisi gets injured, ngena bani? uChabatsana. Has he gotten enough game time ukuthi singaze sisho ukuthi we are confident that uMpho Chabatsana angayidlala la position when Sibisi is not there? Last time adlalile ungenile against Keswick Stars wenzeni? The last time he played was against the Keswick Stars. Ungenile, what did he do? Did he offer anything? Did he make any changes? Did he defend here to become more solid? No, because Gafana ungeno missa ne penalty by Orlando Pirates yadliwa. Other than labo kuno Thapelo Xoki mdala, he's injury prone. What is he gonna do when the going gets tough? Remember season yaqala MTN 8 iLeague iCAF calling knockout maqeda kuba iNedbank Cup. So you are trusting uNkosinathi Sibisi to compete kulezinto lezi zo5 without injury next season. We are trusting ukuthi Ulubone Siyama is going to be fit enough to play in 5 competitions. And let's say Orlando Pirates does advance ku CAF, mhlambe bafika kuma group stages. Se expect ukuthi Ulubone Siyama adlale league. I mean adlale MTN 8, adlale league, adlale CAF Champions League, adlale Nedbank Cup, adlale calling knockout. You expect him to play those games week in week out, abe solid adlale kahle. No, where's the depth lesayibona last season? Ayikho le depth layer. Instead, la kune depth khona Orlando Pirates kula kuma standing 6. Utalente Mbathu ukora amagoal engakhi last season? How many goal contributions did he have last season? How many goals did Makhetleni Makhawula score last season? How many goal contributions did he have last season? I'm asking this question ukubonisa something yokuthi Orlando Pirates, yes, we need someone solid playing like Midtjylland, but we don't depend Tina like abo Sundowns when they depend on Tebogo Mokoena when the going gets tough ukuthi uye ozoyenza izinto zenzeke. Orlando Pirates depends more kuma attackers wabo nama winger wabo. We don't have an attacker this season asaziyo ukuthi lo uzoyenza izinto zenzeke. You telling me ulungu lo waku Swelele FC uzongena lapha Pirates ashintshe complexion yonke into ibe right? Orlando Pirates are in big trouble. And another thing that's concerning for Orlando Pirates, coach of Tesla Mwadi was very lucky last season. Yabona last season yakhumbula even did a video la ngisho ngithi Coach Owadu no Hugo Bruce have to be the most lucky coaches that South African football has ever seen. Coach Owadu le rotation le awine ngayo last season ayikho kule season. Umfukeng is gone, your rotator ngubani? Ozuna Police could believe in your rotator ngubani. Evidence Mahupa could believe in your rotator ngubani. Talent Mbatha could believe in you uzo rotator ngubani. Nkuluma about 4 players ekuyiwo that played a detrimental role in Orlando Pirates winning the league last season. Uyo rotator ngubani. When the season started, they had Umbekezeli Mbokazi, who was there to keep them solid and make sure ukuthi Orlando Pirates nanoma kushubile yena yakwazi ukutabalaza enze izinto zenzeke. Who is Owadu going to rotate with? My advice to management Orlando Pirates right now, go sign Nomfana lo Maqokolo from Amazulu. We need someone as energetic as Luamfana. We need a player that's a ball carrier as Luamfana. We need a player with pace njenga Luamfana loyana, because coach Polo laga Owadu ngithi Polo le pace. Go sign Luamfana loyana lapha kaMazulu. Go sign uMaxwele laphana from Golden Arrows. Go for Gumede from Richards Bay. Kulumani and Stellenbosch FC signed Devin Titus. As old as he is Devin Titus, but he's an experienced number 10. Devin Titus uyakwazi ukora amagoli, uyakwazi ucreate ama chance, he knows how to carry the team when it matters most. Go hunt for players like that. Yiba abantu bekumele ukuthi bayahanjwa bayosayinwa. Lezi zinto lezi esiloke sizilwelayo sayinana nabantu esingabadingi. Makho khona manje they missed out on an opportunity to sign uNdlovu. Yayini enzima ukuthi Orlando Pirates ikhiphe imali usign uNdlovu kanti. Yini ebenzima ukuthi okay khuphulani signing on fee. Mpheni Orlando Pirates needs Ndlovu more than Mamelodi Sundowns needs him. Ngishilo last time iSundowns isign uNdlovu for ukuthi imhlalise benchini. Ku Pirates bekazodlala. There's a lot that he would have contributed. Yes, labafana laba be DDC we promoted them bayenze kahle ku DDC, but phela Mfukeng akapromotwanga and then first day of the league sekayadlala uWinnie Pirates. Mfukeng when he was promoted bekanabo lodge. He had quality surrounding him. And then bam introduce kahle kancane. Shout out to Coach Jose Rivero. But we also know who Coach Abdeslam Moadu doesn't believe in DDC talent. Akabadlalisanga labafana be DDC udlalise kuphela uCameron Denson in a few games and then wazodlalisa uSlepe towards the end of the season. Coach Owadu doesn't believe in this guy. He believes in ama players suka kuma Rumo Gallants. The question is ubani wa kuma Rumo Gallants ayomsigna next season. What is Dion going to do for Orlando Pirates kule season? Mapaka, we are in trouble. I don't see Orlando Pirates doing well in the CAF Champions League. They don't have the quality to go compete in the CAF Champions League. They don't have the players who look like they want to go compete in CAF Champions League. It's an issue lento yenzakalayo khona manje Orlando Pirates. It's a big issue lento yenzakala Orlando Pirates, and it's a big concern. The reason Arsenal ihlale boma 20 something years without winning the league is because Arsenal beyithatha ama player from development wabo bawa promote bawa introduce kahle only for them to sell them to other teams. Lawo ma player hamba yo win ama Champions League, ayo win ama league namanye ama team. Arsenal iqhubeke ukustruggle. How many players have we exported? Of the players that we exported, each time I say exporter, do we have a succession plan now? We released Zuri Lebuhile Mfukeng. Was there a player as exciting, as prolific as Zuri Lebuhile Mfukeng that was introduced to Gutasi as Mfukeng Magahamba, now Muntozo by replacement? Aiko. Utabiso Sesani, the guy bekumele ukuthi udlala nalo mfana lo ulibone siyema, then siba compact lapha emuva. Uhambile. Sibisi noXoki. Sibisi noThapelo Xoki badala labantu laba boyithu. Usibisi nimbonile bafethu struggle ngeWorld Cup, ustruggle ngeAfcon. There are games in the Betway Premiership lama ama defender bewabhoboza ngosibisi. Unkosinathi Sibisi uyasiphuza. Indaba ukuthi bafethu asifuna ukukhuluma amaqiniso, and sometimes masikhuluma izinto abantu bathatha izinto personal kube ngathi sizonda ama player. I have no reason to hate unkosinathi Sibisi, angimazi nokumaza, angazi nokuthi ekhaya kube kukuphi, but unkosinathi Sibisi uyayicost Orlando Pirates sometimes. There are moments where ulibone siya has to do double the job because of Usibisi. I was even shocked the last ngibhekele game le documentary yabo le Bucks camp ngibona unkosinathi Sibisi uyangena uyathukana lokarum ngithi wena captain njobo lokuthethisa ama player ngale game eRichards Bay. Hey, stay in the fucking game. Are you in the fucking game wena captain? Were you in the fucking game when I captain? Njobo ukuthi ama players must concentrate and stay in the fucking game. If we are going to be a leader, lead by example. Nkosinathi Sibisi ibe example a leader ngayo. Now he's even nominated for defender of the season. But because some supporter we follow blindly, si follow ngemizwa, abantu bazoloke bathi hey, phuma kuSibisi. Aiden McCarthy had a better season than Nkosinathi Sibisi. That's why he's going overseas. If Nkosinathi Sibisi was also solid, kuba sizwa kuthiwa kunama team interested kuyo overseas. Going to the World Cup under Hugo Broos doesn't mean you're a good player, Buffett. We all know this. Going to the World Cup under Hugo Broos, it doesn't mean you're a good player. For Hugo Broos to select you, he just has to favor you, or you just have to be off form. Then you are na kuba busy le player meaning off form safika zadle wale. Orlando Pirates is in deep trouble. And now, Coach Abdeslam Owadu, this is where he'll be tested. This is where Owadu uzosibonakalisa ukuthi what kind of coach he is. Because la finder yakhe last season, bekuthi ma izinto mazihamba kahle, he'd play his new players. Makshubela ulahlela ama player ka Jose Rivero, awekho ama player ka Rivero. Thank God, abekho ama player ka Rivero. Star as Rivero as introduced Mfukeng is gone. Which star is Owadu gonna introduce us to? Ozwina Police is not Owadu's player, ne? Usignwe Orlando Pirates Ozwina Police. Owadu can never even claim ukuthi yimenge Ozwina Police shine. Ozwina Police bekadala kahle kuPulukwane City nakubafana Orlando Pirates amthatha amsign. So if a Police uyahamba, Mfukeng is gone. Talent embatha, let's say uyahamba, omunye waka Jose Rivero, Evidence Makopo uyahamba, ifinder yaka Owadu izosebenza kuphi na? Where is Owadu's finder going to work? Why are we not investing in positions that win you games? Striker isiwinela ama game. Number 10 ogwinela ama game. Ama winger agwinela ama game. Utsepang Muremi if yena akahambi and he gets injured in the season, who replaces him? Kamkhelo Sibelebele if akahambi gets injured in the season, who replaces him? Where is the depth lebesiloke sikhala ngayo last season? Ayikho i-depth igcwele la kuma standing 6, igcwele kuma center back lo mfana lo Richards Bay. Orlando Pirates didn't need him. Kube bamane bahamba bayosana uncanana instead. Umuntu abaziyo ukuthi usolid emuva, he's very confident, akasabi ama team, uyakwazi ukuba compact, kube basayine yena. If you are signing Neo Rapo, at least release lo mfana lo Nundaba. Sign Rapo and release Undaba, because uRapo now uyohlala lena Frefi bench. Frefi itulo zase Orlando angatholi game time. Orlando Pirates fans, be prepared for disastrous season. Ibani prepared for a season la kuyoshuba khona, because akuna ama goal scorer manje. Susu Tsepang Muremi, Susu Ozwina Police, Susu Relebohile Mfukeng. Which player in the whole squad of Orlando Pirates has scored 4 goals. Susa laba boy 3. Imapa ma player korile for Orlando Pirates. Imagine Urilebule Mfukeng is the only player from Orlando Pirates with double digit. Nakona 10 goals. Everyone else, it's 8 goals. Ugezans. Ozona Police 8 goals down. Tito 6 goals down. Mahopa 5-6 goals down. Mbutuma does he even have a goal? Maybe 2 down. Abobana abanye abakorile mele kuze kutabalaza ulibone siye mama sekushubile where he's supposed to shoot from outside. And mind you labantu laba sibathathela league to show ukuthi bona they mean business, they want the league back. Nababona basayina kanjani Mamelodi Sundowns? Nayibona Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi yenzani? Mamelodi Sundowns still have their key players from last season. Uleon joined the PSL mid-season. He joined mid-season, and look at the number of goals he scored. I have bad news for you, Orlando Pirates. This season, uyayiqala season from MTN8 uzobakhona uLeon. Uzobakhona uLeon from MTN8. We know he's a goal poacher. Arturo Salez ukhona. Siyamazi uyakwazi ukukora. Tasrick Matthews. Siyamazi uyakwazi ukukora. Tebza Mrembula, contender for football of the season. One of the best players, a contender for CAF Champions League player of the season. Uzobakhona next season. Khuriso Mudau. Futhi angazi ngimbalelani lo asibayeke la ngifuna ukubala ama players aziyo ukuthi bayatabalaza makushubile kuSundowns. Ikram Reyners like ding is still there. Uzobakhona gijimisa abantu na uyokora. Ikram Reyners, he is still there. Lucas Ribeiro, there's a very high chance kusele kangaka kuthabuye kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns are going to reclaim league yabo and they are going to defend a CAF Champions League yabo. So the problem is that abo Orlando Pirates nabo Chiefs basayine lukwini MTN8. Basayine lukwini calling knockout. You telling me Orlando Pirates is going to play CAF without a striker next season? We saw what happened last season when he went to the CAF Champions League without a striker. And unfortunately, when the CAF Champions League hadn't picked up before Miaki. So the one player that was making things happen for Orlando Pirates was struggling. Orlando Pirates are boom. So the people who are responsible for the signing and releasing of players continue to make mistakes season in, season out. Why did you release Tsukufatso Mabasa? We are talking about a guy that knows how to score goals. We are talking about a guy that knows how to show up for the team when it matters most. He showed up for Stellenbosch FC against Mamelodi Sundowns. Tsukufatso Mabasa. They needed him to show up, and Wangempela Wapakamisi Sandla was Veza. This season, who does those things? Ukabelo Dlamini can play that position. We all know this. But the question is, Abazum release na. Asizu wana statement emalange niktiwa thank you, Shenko. Asizu wana poster on social media. It's thank you, Shenko. Because Owadu has no plans for this guy. So ningitshela ukuthi lo mjita lo omlungu lo suka ku Stellenbosch FC ikhona izinto azozenza lapha ku Orlando Pirates. Kana what's his name? Dion. Is it Dion? Dion, that white guy that came from Stellenbosch FC from New Zealand to Orlando Pirates. Dion. Yeah, it's Dion, right? Dion. Dion khona into azoyenza. Now, I'm a team that pride themselves abazithatha serious, ne? If there's an overseas team that's approaching a player obonayo when I go to lo yamdenga kuze win league, Orlando Pirates could have made golden arrows offer they couldn't refuse for Usise. They could have fought for Usise. Guti Sise come play for a big team fana sifuna kwini CAF waza na imali. Orlando Pirates could have fought for Junior Diolo dlalela I golden arrows. That's a striker semali, striker scorer. They have an opportunity now to fight for Peter Shalulile. But I can assure you, ningamangali next week news about Peter Shalulile is signed by some team in Africa. He's not coming back to the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates is in trouble, bafethu. Last season ngalesikhathi we were all celebrating best jabulile. Orlando Pirates bebasayina left, right and center. Some of the players abawasayinile were unnecessary. We didn't even need uSinoxolo Kwayiba. Angazi bekayapi. He only played 1 or 2 games coming off the bench, then boom, gone back to La Suga khona. Bebamsapi. Bebamusa kuphi. Lo mashilwane lo sekalonile kuSikhukhwini khona manje. Where was he going? How can you sign that guy? You have Dino van Rooyen and then you convert to Spelebele to a right back. You had Ubandi Leshandu. You bona mara still usasana lo muntu loyo. Why have 4 players in the same position? Ube wazi ukuthi laba ngeke uzubasebenzisa abanye.